Assalamualaikum class 5. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 6th of December 2021 and today is Monday. Okay? So in previous lesson we have discussed some of conversions which is related to distance. And the units of distance we have discussed. First is kilometer. And the short form of kilometer, Alvina, you tell me what is the short form of kilometer? Very good. KM. Fine. And the next unit which we have discussed for distance is meter. Fine. And the short form of meter is, Alize, you tell me what is the short form of meter? Very good. Small m, like this. Now, what is the short form of centimeter? Very good. cm. Fine. So these three units which we have discussed in conversions. First is kilometer into meter, second is meter into kilometer, third one is meter into centimeter, and centimeter into meter. So first of all we have kilometer into meter. Who will tell me? Yes, Usman, you tell me kilometer into meter. Very good. We will use thousand as a conversion factor here, because we know in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meters. So that's why we will use here as 1000. Fine. And we will use as multiplication sign here because we will go larger into smaller unit. So kilometer is the larger one and meter is smaller one. So whenever we will go larger into smaller, we will use multiplication sign. Fine. And meter into kilometer, we will use the same conversion factor which is 1000 here, because the conversion factor is based on the greater unit. So in this portion, which unit is greater? Very good. Kilometer. So as we know, in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meter. Fine. Now in the end we will use division sign because of we will go smaller into larger. So whenever we will go smaller into larger, we will use division sign. Fine class. Now this is related to kilometer into meter and meter into kilometer. Now we have another conversion which we have discussed in previous lesson, which is meter into centimeter. Now I am going to write here. Meter into centimeter. Yes, Josefa, you tell me. Very good. As you know class, in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. In 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. So conversion factor we will use here as 100. Fine. हम किसके ऊपर बेस करते हैं? ग्रेटर के ऊपर. सो द ग्रेटर यूनिट हेयर इज मीटर. Now I am going to write 100 as a conversion factor. And we will use multiplication sign because we will go larger into smaller. Fine. Now the vice versa, which is centimeter into meter. Who will tell me? Yes, Sikandar, you tell me. Very good. We will use division sign because we will go larger, smaller into larger. Fine. And we will use 100 as a conversion factor here because of a greater unit. In this conversion, we have a greater unit is meter. So in 1 meter, we have 100 centimeter. Fine. So 100 इसमें भी क्या होगा? Conversion factor use होगा, but we will use division. So this is related to meter into centimeter and centimeter into meter. Now, in the last, now class, this is all which is related to your previous lesson. Now I am going to revise some of the conversions which is related to time. Fine? Time. So, who will tell me which unit we will use for time? हम टाइम को मेजर करने के लिए क्या यूनिट्स यूज करते हैं? Very good. The first one, which is the greater unit for time, is hour. The second one is minute, and the third one is second. Fine. The units for time is hour, minute, and second. Seconds. Fine. So the short form of R is H and R. HR, and sometimes we also used as simple H, which is smaller h. Fine. For minute we will use MIN. The short form of minute we will use as MIN. MIN. And the last unit, which is second, we will use the short form of second is SEC, second. Fine. So in this lesson we will discuss some of conversions which is related to time. The first one is hour into minute. Fine. Hour into minute. Hour into minute. Now who will tell me which unit is greater here? इन दोनों में से कौन सा greater unit है, hour और minute? So class, the greater unit we will used here as hour. Fine. And you all know in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. How many minutes we have in 1 hour, class? Very good. 60 minutes. So in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. Fine. So we will use here as 60 conversion factor, and the rule we will use here, which is larger into smaller. Whenever we will go larger into smaller, we will use multiplication sign. Fine. So this is conversion. Whenever we will go hour into minute, we will multiply by 60. So let's take one example of it, which is 12 hour. And we want to go into minutes. So what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे? Very good. We will simply multiply by 60 because of a greater unit in which hour. So in 1 hour, as I told you class, in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So we will multiply by 60, which is the rule in this conversion. Fine. Now I am going to start the working of it. 12 as it is, multiply by 60 because we are going into minutes. Fine. And in the last, the unit in which we are going. So here we want to go hour into minute. So in the end, I will write minute, which is the short form of minute is MIN. Fine. Now in the end, I will simply multiply by 60, which is like this. I am starting from the right side because this is the rule of multiplication, and the first digit from the right side is 0. I am going to multiply 0 with this whole number, which is 12. So 1 by 1 I will multiply. 0 into 2 is 0. 0, 1 into 0. I will write multiplication sign here. 6 2 times is 12. 2-digit number, I will write the number which is at right place, which is 2 here, and 1 as a carry. Fine. Now I am going to multiply 6 into 1, which is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So what would we do in the end class? हम क्या करेंगे last पे? Very good. We will simply add the whole. Now 0, 2 and 7. So in the end we have 720 minutes. So in the end class we have 720 minutes. I am going to write here 720 minutes. Fine. I am going to repeat it. You have to listen class very carefully. I have 12 hours and I want to go in 2 minutes. So what would we do? We will simply multiply by 60 because in 1 hour we have 60 minutes, and we will use multiplication sign here because of whenever we will go larger into smaller unit, we will use multiplication. Fine. So we will simply multiply by 60, and in the end we will write minute, which is the short form of MIN. Fine. In the end we have, after doing the whole working, we have in the end is 720 minutes. Fine. Now let's do the working for the next conversion here, which is minutes into hours. So class, as I told you, first of all we will look the larger unit. So in this conversion, which unit is larger, minute or hour? Very good, hour. We have hour is larger unit here. So in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. In 1 hour we have 60 minutes. Fine. I will use 60 as a conversion factor. In 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So minutes into hour we have 60 as a conversion factor. In 1 hour we have 60 minutes, but we will use division here because we will go smaller into larger. हम कहाँ से कहाँ जाएंगे? Smaller into larger. So as I told you, whenever we will go smaller into larger, we will use division here. So let's take one example of it, which is 1800. 1800 minutes, and we want to go into hours. So we will simply class write the first one is the number which is 1800, then we will use divide because we will go smaller into larger, and the conversion factor here which is 60 because in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. Fine, and in the end I will write the unit in which we are going, which is hour here. Fine, now I will divide it by how many times I will multiply 60 to get 1800. Who will tell me? Yes, Abu Bakr, you tell me. Very good. 60, 30 times 1800. We will solve here. 0, 0 times 0, 0, 6 times 0, 3, 0 times 0, 3, 6 times 18. So in the end we have 1800. Fine, 1800. 30 here. So 30 hour is in the end. Whenever we have class, whenever we have minutes and we want to go into hours, we will simply divide it by 60. Fine? Am I clear, class? Okay, so let's do another conversion which is minutes into seconds. Fine? I am going to write minutes into seconds. Minutes into seconds. So class, first of all, who will tell me in both of them, which is minutes and second, both two units are used here. हो रहे हैं यहाँ पर 2 units used for time. So which unit is greater in between of two? So class, in both in between of two units we have the larger unit is minutes. So whenever we will go minutes into second, first of all we have a conversion factor we will use here. Fine, we will use here. So minutes into seconds. As you know class, in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So the conversion factor is based on the greater unit. So the greater unit here is minute. I will write 60 as a conversion factor and I will multiply with 60 because we will go larger into smaller. So let's take one example here which is 2 minutes and we want to go into seconds. So what would we do? क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Simply we will multiply by 60 because in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. Fine. So as I told you, the conversion factor is based on the larger unit. So in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. In 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So I am going to multiply 2 with 60 in the end. 2 multiplied by 60 and I will write the unit in the end which is second. So 60 into 2. 2 0 times 0 into 6 times is 12. Okay, Heather? So in the end we have 120 seconds. Fine? So I am going to repeat it. You have to listen. Whenever we will go minutes into second, we will multiply by 60. And likewise, whenever we will go second into minutes, we will divide it by 60 because in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. Fine. So this is all which is related to conversions of time. You will revise it, and you can practice on your notebook. If you find any difficulty related to this, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.